Bring them over, Dave. Okay, don't peek. Don't peek.
I'm not. Okay. Where am I going? Okay, stop.
Okay, hold on. Okay, and you can look.
Oh my gosh! What is that? Oh my gosh! What did your dad do for you girls?
Oh, is Mom crying?
Wow!
Oh my God!
You like it, Grace? Claire, you like it? Yeah?
Look at that!